I'm Alicia from Perth. 12 months ago, I attended the 3-day event and signed up for the 12-month reset course. I was feeling very sad and alone and lonely when I started and very heartbroken. I felt that I didn't really have anyone to turn to apart from my psychologist, and I felt very lost and didn't quite know how to navigate my way forwards. When I attended the 3-day event, I was overwhelmed by the number of women who were there who were going through the same divorce, loss, grief that I had been going through. And I felt like I was surrounded by beautiful women who understood for the first time. And it actually moved me to tears when I walked into that room. I sat there for 3 days and wrote notes madly because everything I was hearing was like gold that I needed to be able to move forward. And at the end, I took a leap of faith and signed up for the 12-month course. I actually felt sick when I signed up because I'd never spent so much money in my life, but it's been the best thing ever. It was investing in me and doing something for me to make myself into a better person. Throughout the 12 months, I think I've learned my own self-value and I've learned some skills, and I've been surrounded by a beautiful community of women who understood me, who encouraged me, who loved me, who helped me process things on my bad days. They just were there on the other end of the phone. They sent me things to make me laugh. I've received chocolates and flowers, and I felt very loved and supported. I've learnt so many new skills, how to do a turnaround, how to take responsibility and not blame others. I think a lot of my life I'd blamed other people and felt sorry for myself. And so to move out of that mentality and that mindset has been a really powerful progress, really. I'm excited for my future to go forwards with a new set of tools and skills that helps me at work to see the value in people, to be compassionate, to see their hearts and really try to understand where they're coming from. I've seen the value in men. I think I felt pretty disillusioned with men, and I think I had an experience where I got to ride on the back of the quad bike with Paul and learn to trust a man again. And that was the first time I had to put my arms around a man and trust. So that was a powerful moment for me. While a lot of focus has been on finding a new man, that hasn't really been where I've been at yet. But I'm so grateful that I've done the preparation for when I do meet a new man, that with setting up my own boundaries and keeping my own standards and not settling and knowing what red flags to look out for. And I actually spoke to my daughter about a few red flags with her boyfriend, and she ended up opting out of that relationship. And I just thought, oh my gosh, this course is worth it just for that, because she had been planning a whole life with him and the red flags were there and she was able to see them because of the work that I had done. It's encouraging to see when my work then helps other people around me. I'm excited for some travelling plans that I have. I'm applying for new jobs. I'm upskilling myself so that I can get those new jobs. And I feel empowered to go out and live a life that's intentional and that I love and I'm passionate about. My photography, my nursing, and just moving into a different space. So thank you, Fiona and the team, for all your help and for helping me to get to a place of hope and empowerment. I'm very grateful.